In today's video, I'll teach you how to avoid getting banned on Instagram. So if you do not want to get banned on Instagram, you'll have to follow the community guidelines properly. You can also check the account status. For that, what you have to do is open the Instagram application. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. In order to avoid getting banned, make sure to check the account status time to time. For that, tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Now right over here under the section for more info and support, you'll be able to find this option for account status. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to check your account status over here. You can see the indicators. Make sure all the indicators are green in order to avoid getting banned. Also make sure to avoid the automation. Do not use unauthorized third-party apps for automated liking, following or posting. Also do not follow or unfollow hundreds of users in an hour. If you do that, you might get banned. Likewise, you'll have to follow the content rules. Whenever you're posting the content, make sure not to post the content that violates safety guidelines. It might include violence, nudity, hateful conduct, etc. Make sure to avoid them. Also avoid the copyright issues. Make sure to use the original or permitted content only. Also avoid frequent multiple logins on different devices. This can trigger the security bans. After you follow all these guidelines properly, you might be able to avoid getting banned. So that is how you avoid getting banned on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.